Hello, kids! This is Teacher James Lee. Today, we will learn the different types of communication technology. Are you ready? Here are the different types of communication technology. Cell phone. Cell phone help us communicate with our loved ones through voice calls, text messages, and internet access. Telephone. Telephone is used to transmit voice conversations, allowing people to talk each other when they are not all in the same place. Television. Television provides news, information, education, and entertainment to people all over the world. Radio. Radio serves as a vital source of local news, weather updates, and emergency broadcasts, providing real-time information to listeners. Computer. Computer can create documents, send and receive emails, browse information online, and play video games. Laptop. Laptop is used in a variety of settings, such as at work, in education, for playing games, content creating, web browsing, for personal multimedia, and for general home computer use. This time, you will identify the communication technology used in different situations. First situation. You're right. The boy is using a laptop. Second situation. You're right. They are using a cell phone. Third situation. You're right. They are using a telephone. Fourth situation. You're right. They are listening to the radio. Fifth situation. You're right. The girl is using the computer. Sixth situation. You're right. The teacher is using television in her classroom instruction. Good job, kids! Do you want to learn more? See you on my next video. Bye-bye!